So hello guys, welcome to another video of 100 days of 100 coding questions challenge. Today is our 48th day of this challenge and we had completed 47 problem of the days on Leetcode. So let's begin with today's problem, that is problem number 1636, that is sort array in increasing frequency. It is an easy level question. Topics that are included in this question are array, hash table, sorting. This is a basic hashing question. It is given that we have given an array of integers containing integers, and in this array there are repeating numbers, just like 1 is repeating 2 times, 2 is repeating 3 times, 3 is repeating 1 time, and we have to calculate the frequency of that numbers and arrange all the element in the decreasing amount of frequencies. I'll repeat my sentence. Arrange the numbers in the increasing order of their frequency count. That is, if 3 is coming in one time in this array, we have to uh, arrange it in the first position. 1 is repeating 2 times, so second element will be 1. 2 is repeating 3 times, so third element will be 2. And number of repetitions will be as same as the given array. And in this question, it is given that if two numbers have same frequency, so we have to arrange them in descending order, just like here 2 and 3 has same frequency. So I have to arrange them in descending order, greater number before and smaller number after. So in this question, I will use a hash map. Hash map is something which stores the frequency in key value pairs or values in key values. And just like I will make a hash map in this, I will save pairs. By iterating in this array, I'll take one element and store the frequency with that element. Okay, just like I will iterate in this array. The first element is 1. So I will save 1 comma 1, that is the frequency of 1 is 1. Then then next value comes is 2 1, sorry. So for this one the frequency at before is 1 and now the frequency is 2, so I will increment the frequency of 1. Okay, then I have a distinct element 2. So for this 2, I will save 2 comma 1, that is the element is 2 and the frequency is 1. Then I have then there comes 2. So I will increase the frequency to 2. Then it is again 2. So I will increase the frequency to 3, and then there is a distinct element that is 3. So I will store it as 3 comma 1. So this completes my hash map. After iterating all the members in this hash map, I got the frequency of all the elements which are present in that array. So now I have very less work to do. I have to arrange them in ascending order. Okay. Actually, it is looking like it is in ascending order because the elements are given in the ascending order of frequency, but I have to arrange them just like 2 comes after 1. Okay, 2 comes after 1 because the frequency of 3 is 1, so it will come first. The 1 has 2 frequencies, so it will come second, and 2 has largest frequency, it will come at last. So in this problem, I will make a 2D vector. Okay, 2D vector or 2D array. So in this, I will save pairs. 3 pairs, I will store 3 pairs, all this thing as a pair. So in this way, I will store the second element first. Okay, I will store the frequency at first, that is 1 comma 2, the frequency and the number, and again 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, and here again 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1. So this is my new list which store the frequency in the front and the number or the value at second index. Okay, now I will sort this using a custom sort. That custom sort will sort this first values in ascending order, and if the values are equal, then it will go to the second number and says if I want the bigger number, and it will place it in the first position. Okay, so the code of the code of that custom sort will I will be explaining in the code section. After doing this, I will have the array like, okay, in this place it is 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2, and it is 1 comma 1 comma 3, and in this place it is 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1. So sorry for my mistake, the vector will be this. So now after sorting this, I will have what I'll get 1 comma 3 at first index, then 2 comma 1, then 3 comma 2. Because in this we don't have the duplicate frequencies, so it is a custom sort or a normal sorting algorithm. So after this, I will iterate the frequencies and copy the element to the result array. So I'll make the result array and see the value and the frequency of that value. So 3 comes one time, so I will place 3 at first. Then 1 comes two times, then so I will paste 1 two times. Then 2 comes 3 times, so I will paste 2 3 times. Okay, so this is my resultant vector or the result. So let's see this in this and the code editor. At first, I'll make an unordered map which stores integer in integer. Okay, and I will name it as MP and do the formal hashing or normal hashing, that is auto a in nums and MP of a plus plus. So this is the formal method of hashing. Then I'll make a array of pairs. So vector array. I had to store pairs in this array, so I'll use the pair data structure and paste all the frequencies at first and then the element. So for that, I'll do a iteration in that array, sorry map, that is MP and array dot pushback. I had to create a pair that in this pair a dot second comes first and a dot first comes second. After doing this, I had to sort that pair array or array that I will do a custom sort. Like at first, I'll write the basic code of sorting. Begin arr dot end, and I'll use a comparator here that codes the code is pair int comma int, reference is a comma pair int comma int with reference b. Okay, now what I will do, I will make a function here. Function will looks like a comparator. That is, comparator is something a boolean function. If a dot first is not equal to b dot first, then return. If both the values are not equal, then we will sort it in a regular way. But if the values are equal, then we will sort them in a decreasing order. So in this process, I will use a dot first. A dot first is less than b dot first. It will return a boolean value. According to that boolean value, our function uh, perform sorting. Else just return if the values are equal. So here is not equal, and if the values are equal, then we just have to return b dot second, sorry, a dot second is greater than b dot second. Okay, so this is our custom function. Now I will do the simple pasting of all the frequencies, all the elements according to their frequencies. So in this, I have do the custom sorting, and here I will make result array that is vector int answer, and in that answer I'll iterate in the array that is the pair array. In this auto a in arr, here I will create an integer n that will store the frequency. So a dot first is my frequency, and I will make a while loop where n n is not equal to 0. If n is not equal to 0, then I have the frequency count, and till that frequency count I have to push element in that array. So answer dot push back a dot second, and with every pushing I have to perform n minus minus so that the frequency will reduce after every pushing, and then I'll just return answer. Okay, fine. Frequency of the element. Okay, now let's see if it is running fine or not. Okay, vector pair. Okay, one one bracket is missing over there. Spelling mistake. Okay, I think it should run fine now. Yes, it does. And let's see. Yes, it is accepted, and it passes all the test cases. So by this, I have completed today's code of the day and the challenge of 48th day. And if you have any problem in this code, I'll upload this code in this repository. I'll leaving the link in the description of this video. You just have to go to the repository and search the problem number 1636, and over here you will find the solution. I'll upload daily problems on these, so if you have any problem in past codes also, you can check here. So thank you for today.